Greetings, I'm Austin McDowell with the Great Falls Forecast Office. This presentation is the weekly Montana Weather Hazards Briefing for the week of April 11th through the 17th, 2022. As usual, please visit our websites or social media platforms for the latest information. Or, you may call us directly if any questions or concerns arise. Let's go ahead and get started. The upcoming week will be characterized by an impactful snow-producing weather system moving west to east across Montana Monday through Thursday morning. Gusty winds are expected, especially over northwest portions of the state. Snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour will be possible at times with this system in heavy snow bands. Cold temperatures, which feel more like January than April, are expected across the state for most of the week. A second winter system will then be possible late in the week. Uncertainty is high with this late week system, with both timing and overall precipitation amounts. Overall, it will be important to check back often for updates this week. Here's the weather and impacts outlook for the week. As mentioned in the last slide, an impactful snow-producing system will pass across the state through midweek. Significant snow totals, in addition to blowing and drifting snow, will be likely through Wednesday over much of the state. Locations that are most likely to miss out on significant precipitation include northwest Montana as well as portions of the western High Line. Additionally, cold temperatures are expected across most of the state Tuesday morning through Friday. Strong winds are expected west of the Continental Divide through Tuesday morning. A number of highlights are in effect across the state for both winter and wind impacts. For specifics, visit your local office's website. Expect changes over the next 24 hours to these highlights as confidence grows in the situation. Snow will start Monday in southwestern portions of the state, spreading north and eastward Tuesday and Wednesday, before exiting the region Thursday morning. Feel free to pause to get a better look at the forecast snow amounts. Stay tuned to the forecast updates to monitor trends. A high wind warning has been issued for portions of northwest Montana from Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning. Gusts upward of 65 miles an hour will be possible with this system. Damage to trees and power lines will be likely, with travel for high-profile vehicles becoming difficult. Temperatures over the week are expected to be well below average. The coldest morning is expected to be on Thursday morning, which is shown here in the image on this slide. Daily highs in the 20s and 30s are expected through the work week for much of the state. Cold air, in addition to snow, will likely cause stress to newborn livestock through much of the week. Uncertainty remains rather large associated with the late week system, with both precipitation totals and timing. Snow is looking like the main impact at this point. The image on this slide is the probability of receiving 1 inch of snow over a 72-hour period from Thursday night through Sunday evening. The next two slides show the same time period, but probabilities of receiving 4 and 6 inches of snow respectively. Feel free to pause on the next two slides to get a better look at the probabilities. Be sure to check back for updated forecasts for this late week and weekend system, as details will certainly change over the next few days. The latest 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center leans toward below average temperatures across the state. Precipitation leans above average west, transitioning to leaning below average east. This concludes this week's briefing. Here is a summary of the main points discussed in the presentation. Please visit our website or social media accounts for the latest information and contact any of the 4 state forecast offices to address any questions. Thank you for watching this video and have a great week.